Tahniah to Tan Sri Lim Kit Siang. I'm very happy that he came up with this. He just underscored exactly my advice to PM. Okay, so now after 1 year dah fokus to become politician and make the government stable kan. Sekarang stable kan. Dah kelima punya PNMP dah lompat kan. Bukan lompat lah, dah sokong PM kan. Jadi memanglah igawan Perikatan Nasional take over government tu, too bad lah. Macam-macam they will come up with all kinds of fantasy and tales. They have to live with this government until 2027. Tapi Lim Kit Siang pun timely lah kan. This is what I'm saying. Now, be a leader now. Do the reforms, do whatever needs to be done, do what is right to the country, for the country, and put the country on the trajectory. Enough of pandering to any quarters. UMNO ke, Melayu ke, non-Malays ke, whoever lah, doesn't matter. Buat apa yang fair. Sabah Sarawak punya matter. Bagi dia orang apa yang fair. Jangan cari pasal dengan Sabah Sarawak. For what? Just do right by them. That's it. Don't give them anything more, don't give them anything less. Exactly apa yang dijanji, buat. We have a DPM2 for that. Fokus and jalan saja. Okay, done. Yang lain-lain semua, buat. Tukar. All the things that Lim Kit Siang sebut, do that now. Begin and make it seen now. Benda ni berlaku. Jadi, buat for the next 3 years. Masuk the final year before election. Then you start talking about what is it that you did over 3 years. Faham tak? Sekarang ni, first year, you dah jadi PM, Madani dah jadi government, nak cerita, oh ini kita dah buat ini, kita dah buat ini. Okay, adalah, I'm not saying tak ada pencapaian. Tapi nothing much to shout about. Faham tak? Yes, ada improvement, but marginal. Sikit. Because busy berpolitik. Nak kena neutralize PN yang lagi busy berpolitik. Jadi this is not cara the country should be managed. So done is done. Sekarang dulu they try all kinds of things jatuhkan government. Sekarang dah tak boleh, dah stabil dah. So ikut nada Lim Kit Siang ni. He's a wise old man. And I think government patut ikut and buat sekarang ni. Lah ni dah time berbuat. Cakap kurang, buat and take stock of everything. Laporkan apa yang dibuat. 3 years is a good time frame to start changing the system, detoxifying the system and putting our the relevant tenets in order. Buat benda tu sampai 1 more year. I dah kata dah, lepas tu jadilah politician and pander balik pada orang-orang, all the stakeholders, and tunjuk, see what we have done over the past 3 years or 4 years. So get ready now to sell yourself to win the next election. Itulah cara dia. Pasal you dah dapat dah stability, tak ada excuse dah. Tapi kalau 3 tahun ni nothing happen, you buat benda karut, Lim Kit Siang punya prophecy will come true. Out you go, and people will not touch PMX with a 10-foot pole lagi dah. Jangan find out, please. Jangan make Lim Kit Siang betul. Prove him wrong. Prove dia punya prophecy tu tak jadilah. Because dia pun nak tengok Madani government continue to memerintah. Jadi bacalah apa Lim Kit Siang kata ni, and I sokong. Alhamdulillah, he's out of the picture. Dia tak gila kuasa, and what he wants the best for the country. Thank you Lim Kit Siang.
So, if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free, you don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.